Okay, what's up, guys? I'm making a recap video for you guys, and I just want to go over a trade that we took in the Discord and took majority of profits today, and are just got runners left. May consider taking them off tomorrow to avoid earnings, but so this is the trade. So the ticker is CELH. I think it's a beverage company, energy drink company. That has been performing really well as of recently. Okay, so you can see here we kind of had this explosive breakout of a consolidation here where we weren't doing much, and then we've just broke out and continued to trade higher and higher and higher. And so this was one of the best charts I'd seen in quite some time. And what I was noticing was this kind of move higher. We had an explosive move higher and then started trading sideways. We had momentum shifting. We had a beautiful looking squeeze. And then here we had this candle here. I began to notice it when we broke out above, and it's better to draw it like this range, right? Or this kind of resistance area. Once we broke that, I was looking for continuation based off this weekly squeeze. Now, I bought May expiration contracts, right? Which I did not need to do, but I also did not know that it was going to run up in a week like it did. Okay. And so if we go to lower time frames, here's where I entered. So when we had a flush below the support area, now if I go to the daily, it makes it a lot more easier to see kind of where this was. So you can see where we were getting stopped up was right in this area, and you could probably extend it all the way to those top wicks, but you don't really need to. You can kind of get most of the price action within this right here. So when we had this breakout and then the pullback the next week, I bought on this candle here. So we entered in on this day right here. I think we were down 10% by the close. I wasn't too concerned about getting a perfect entry. I was more so concerned getting in for this weekly squeeze. And I thought this area of resistance now turned to support would be a perfect spot to do that. So today, or then next day, we gapped up nicely. We had a break of structure here, and then gapped up again. We have earnings tomorrow, and we're just a stone's throw away from all-time highs, and that's exactly what I was looking for. And it looks like we're gapping up so far pre-market. So we ended up catching 70% so far. We've got some runners left into tomorrow, and we'll see if we want to hold for earnings coming up on the 29th. But that was the move we were looking for. It was May expiration contracts, so we had pretty little risk in terms of stop loss percentage. And we caught a beautiful move of 70% in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days on, like I said, May expiration contracts. We've got plenty of time on them. So we may just hold through earnings and let it play out, see what happens. But all right, guys, that's the recap. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you're interested in joining our free Discord, link is below. And yeah, I'll see you guys for the next trade recap.